Hear anything yet, hon? Cool. I appreciate your help. First time, so I just still working out the kinks. Awesome, guys. We're going to get started then. First, we're going to be breaking a box of 2013 Inception football. No, sir, I did not get them all sold. Let me check the teams, and if you guys would like to purchase any of them, that would be more than fine. Oh, sorry about that. All right, I'm going to read off the teams that are available. We have the Atlanta Falcons, we have the Chicago Bears, Arizona Cardinals, St. Louis Rams, Washington Redskins, Jacksonville Jaguars, Tennessee Titans, Cleveland Browns, San Diego Chargers, and the Oakland Raiders. So, what we can do on those, I'd be willing to take $2 on any of those, other than say 4 for San Diego and 5 for St. Louis. $5 on the Rams. What are you guys thinking? Han, you interested in anything? I can list the teams out for you guys if you want in the chat room. Alright guys, get this open real quick. We got a fresh case. Alright guys, you got any choices on which box you want to open? Bottom left. So this one right here, or this one? Sorry, bottom left. There. All right. Let's go, Monty. Let me get my dogs out of this room. They're gonna drive us crazy. Get out. Alright. Let's finally get this started. Sorry about the small delay, guys. We'll get this smoothed out. Alright, first box. Inception Football. Hobby Hounds. It's actually the first box of Inception I've opened. I tested a bunch of different packs to see what I liked, but then I really figured it doesn't really matter what I like. I'd just like to know what you guys want. Let's sort these hits out. Okay. All right. First, we have a Brandon Whedon. It's out of 199. Next up, we got a Cecil Shorts base. And Julio Jones for the Falcons. Sorry about that, guys. Call out the teams. And next, for the New York Giants, we have Brandon Myers. That's numbered out of 75. And we're going to have a happy man here who just got those Chargers. We got a Keenan Allen. Gold. I'm not really sure. Let's see if that's numbered. Oh, it is. Right down here out of 25, folks. Nice hit. Very nice hit. And for the Cowboys, we have Gavin Escobar. It's numbered out of 50. Looks like a silver signature. We got a nice little patch here. Terrence Williams. And that is numbered out of 75. Well, that was a very nice first box of Inception, guys. Yeah, that was awesome. Cowboys are loving it. Sorry we couldn't find you a Monty Ball in there. But that Keenan Allen, man, that is sweet. Out of 25, that's worth $4, huh? Focus. Yeah. It's a beauty. Get those sleeved up. Yeah, you know what was funny about that was I was feeling the Chargers. I just told my buddy I had a few good teams that didn't get picked, and I was going to laugh if pulled out a real nice Keenan Allen or a Tavon Austin. But you jumped on it. I'm here to get you guys the big hits, not me. You know, if you guys ever wanted to do some more boxes at the end, we could do some random divisions or something like that. Just let me know. I'm going to stop the feed real quick and then start it right back up so I can separate these boxes.